Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsored product. This is from AIPER Scuba S1 Pro. This is really cool machine. I've been testing for a while and I gotta tell you guys this is doing really good job, and I will show you guys. I just finished a cleaning session. We have this three problem over there. The leaves just raining inside the pool like day and night. So this thing is just a beast. It just goes every corner of the pool and it just cleans up. As you can see here, we have this nice operation buttons here. Once you press and hold the button, you will see that the unit turns on, and there are four operation mode. This is auto. This will clean the bottom, the ground surface and the walls as well. And when you do this, this will clean the bottom, and this is I believe only the wall, and this is eco mode. So I usually keep it on the auto mode. So once you turn it on, you will see that it lights up with this nice cool blue LED light, and at night it looks much better. You will see like it's kind of has a whitish greenish color. Once it's in the water, it's just when it's walk, you will see that it's like a car headlight. It's just pointing the light and see where it goes. There are sensors on the side right here and one on the other side, so I guess that helps for that as well. I'm not sure, but that looks really cool. So over here we have this nice large opening. So let me show you guys what we have inside this. You can see it's just did really good job. Lots of stuff. Oh, there is even a bug. It seems like a bee or something like that. So once you close this, you see this on the bottom. We have this nice lever door. So once it just closed, nothing comes out. So whenever you are ready, you just open the top, you dump it. So this is, let's see what we got here. So as you guys can see, so much leaves this thing just collected, and ew, there is even some bugs over here, and you can see it just even collected the small particles came from the leaves or some dust, some dirt. So that did really good job. So you don't really have to clear this with clean water. It has this nice mesh system. It's not gonna let the things out, but you can just clear, wash it with garden hose and just put it back. So over here we have a filter system as well. You can see it's just working and it's just turning greenish color, some brown, black. So here it just, I never seen a robot like with this type of filter system. Usually they are coming just with the bucket filter. I tested so many different brand, different models, but I never seen that. So this is really cool. It helps the water to clear out as well. As you can see here, we have really nice large opening that the bucket goes inside, and the best part, you can see that thing just goes right into this. Nothing will be on this bottom part, so that is really cool. So let's see what else we can talk about it. And on the bottom you can see we have this nice rubber pieces, the tire piece. It just goes against to the surface, the wall, and it's just turn and just keeps rubbing on the surface and keeps all the algae coming out. That looks work really well and just cleans up really good. And over here we have this nice large opening. Anything like here just easily go inside. It takes it sucks a lot of stuff, so that works really well. And another nice feature is this. I really like this. I never seen this on any robot. So this part on the bottom section, right where the uh, entry hole, like the section, this has this rubber pieces. It also helps to clean the surface as well. That is really nice touch. I really like that. So over here, like, we have the same system from the top and the bottom, like both turns and clears the ground. And we have nice traction belts. They are really large, as you can see. uh, I'm using on the above ground pole 32 by 16 best way, so I never had any issue. I never seen it got stuck or wasn't able to climb up. So it did work well. I think I will see if I can add some additional footage that where it goes up so you guys can see it as well. But overall, the Scuba S1 Pro is really a well made product. It is kind of heavy, I have to tell you guys. It is on the heavy side, but if you want some quality that is expected, it has good quality materials inside, and they are not gonna be uh, lightweight, so that is expected. I don't have any complaint with that. The hook it came with just goes in this very easy. You can just easily hook it here and just pull it on the surface, and you can just take it out. It also has a application. I don't really think that is really convenience, because in order to use the application, you have to take this out, or it has to be on the surface so that it can connect to your phone and it can connect to the Wi-Fi so that you can send comment. But you don't really need that for the operation part, at least. So all the buttons here has the same thing on the application, so you don't have to worry about operating it. But if you are looking for some statistic, how long it ran, so what is the work cycle, there are some statistics that you can collect. But besides that, to me, it's not really a big deal. So overall, I really like this robot and I enjoyed it. I hope you guys will like, and it will help your pool as well. Thank you for watching.